Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying visibility settings so you don't chase phantom issues. First, toggle the outliner and the viewport eye, make sure the object isn't hidden. Once visible, check face normals in edit mode and recalculate if needed. Inverted normals often make a mesh invisible in shaded modes. Next, switch between solid and material preview to rule out shader or viewport clipping. If the object still vanishes, move to modifiers and render settings as the next step. Now examine the middle of the pipeline where problems hide, modifiers and materials. Disable modifiers one by one. Boolean or mirror can produce zero-area geometry that disappears. Apply or fix them when safe. Then inspect the material. Ensure alpha is 1. 0, blend mode is opaque, and nodes aren't feeding zero transparency. Make sure scale and origin are sane. Extreme scale can push geometry out of view or break normals. Also run a cleanup for duplicate vertices and non-manifold edges to restore visibility. Finish by confirming render and camera settings so the mesh appears where you expect. Preview a quick render and check camera, clipping distances, and collection visibility for renders. If shading still fails, try duplicating the object and exporting / importing as OBJ to strip corrupt data. Recount normals and use data transfer to restore attributes. If nothing works, reset Blender preferences or append the object into a fresh file. Troubleshooting tip: if the mesh remains invisible, isolate it in a new file. Corruption is often file-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.